Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Shambrook Lake, a beautiful spot tucked away in the heart of British Columbia. This lake is known for its calm waters, tall evergreens. Local stories say the area was first noticed by surveyors in the early 1900s, when travel through this part of the province was slow and rugged. The water stays remarkably clear through most of the year, reflecting the mountains and the endless sky. Whether you're here to explore, relax, or simply enjoy the view, this peaceful lake invites you to stay a little longer. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Shambrook Lake, British Columbia.
Thank you very much.